Yeah, it's me, Matt. I'm here in Vegas, always in Vegas, stuck in Vegas. Just want to do a quick video of an announcement of a sale that's been made on the Strip. MGM has decided to sell Mirage. They're selling it to the Hard Rock International. They're a company out of Florida. I don't think they have anything to do with the former Hard Rock Hotel, which was sold to Virgin. Yeah, I think they're all owned partly or all by the Seminole tribe in Florida. And you know, there's a couple things I gotta say because you know I'm here in Vegas, and one, I like the Mirage property. It's only 32 years old, and so to have it sold to another outfit is fine, but they're bringing in their flavor. I don't mind the idea of another Hard Rock. Maybe it'll be the rock and roll theme. I mourn the loss of the Hard Rock on Paradise. It wasn't on the Strip, so it was like, well, no, maybe they should have moved to the Strip, and they would have had more business, because I like themes. I like themes with these casinos, but they just disappeared. So this is going to be, maybe it's going to be rock and roll, which is kind of cool. But I like the Mirage property. I like the theme of this oasis in the desert. You know, a lot of properties in the past have been based upon desert themes. And most of them are gone now, but you still got the Mirage, and you got a lot of, you know, a lot of plant life, real plants. Some of them are fake, but a lot of real stuff there, and it looks kind of like a luscious tropical area in the middle of the desert. And then they got, you know, they got a lot of cool things there. Should do a goodbye video to the Mirage. I don't know when they're going to start in on it, but the thing is, they plan on building right there on the Strip. They're going to build this huge guitar, which is going to actually be hotel rooms. They got a picture of this on the internet. You can just do Hard Rock International, Vegas, look at images and you'll see it, you know. So there's no link to look at. But the thing that bothers me, though, is they're going to keep the hotels. It's not like they're imploding an old casino hotel and building something new. You know, it's not the Stardust. Goodbye to the Stardust, and years later we get the Resorts World, whatever they call that place. So they're going to keep, they're just changing the name. Matter of fact, they're going to keep the rights. They got the rights to the name for 3 years, so it'll still be the Mirage where they're building everything. They're going to, undoubtedly, they're going to keep the hotel rooms they already got. They're just going to build additional hotel rooms with the guitar. Here's what upsets me, though, aside from goodbye to a nice hotel with a nice theme and that sort of thing, is they're going to build it right on the Strip, so they're getting rid of the Volcano, right? I got a problem with that, because the Volcano was free. It's a free attraction to people coming to Vegas. And it's bad enough that all these hotels and casinos, that they're just nickel and diming you to death, you know, and now they're taking away another free thing. So you got less free things, more nickel and diming, fees, all sorts of just higher prices for everything. They don't even want to be in business gambling anymore. Years ago, it used to be, come to Vegas, food, you don't have to spend hardly any money on food. Just get here. Cheap hotel rooms, cheap flights. They may still have cheap flights. I don't know. I haven't flown here in forever. But you know, they just wanted to get you here to gamble. And now, you know, over time, it seems like they don't want to get you here to gamble. They just want to get you here to spend all your money, like they're a big shopping facility, you know. And you know, they don't want to spend any money anymore on anything that's free to get you to come here. They just, I don't know why you should come here anymore, you know, really, because, you know, they've switched their marketing, their business model, their marketing strategy, and I think it's just driven by cost accountants. And they say, we're not making any money off this. Now to the Mirage, MGM's credit, this is, you know, they weren't making any money off the Volcano, so they were probably wanting to get rid of that anyway. And the land was probably worth more. They got a lot of land there. So, it's just a matter of, how can we, they look at the cost. This is how much it's costing us, and we're not making any money off of it because they're not calculating how much money they're making from having something free, like a retail store that has a loss leader. We're losing money on this, but that's okay because that draws in traffic and we'll make money off other things that we sell. That used to kind of be it with Vegas. We'll lose money, break even on this thing. It's okay. We get people in, they'll gamble. But now they just want to charge you everything. They charge you for everything. And yeah, so I mourn the loss of the Volcano. If you want to see the Volcano live, I don't know when they'll start breaking ground. They'll have to make sure that they go through the process where the deal is complete, because the Gambling Commission, the Nevada Gaming Commission, has got to look at everything. It takes forever. But I have no doubt that this is going to happen. And then MGM's talking about they want to buy the Cosmopolitan. It's like, okay, maybe the numbers are right, but I would rather have the Mirage than the Cosmopolitan. But that's just me. It might have more value. Certainly younger people like to go there, and party real hard, drink a lot, throw up in the restrooms. They call the buffet the Wicked Spoon, I think, because it's pretty wicked. Eventually, it's going to come up with all those young people. See, there's a bunch of young people there. So I don't know. I'm not young enough to maybe appreciate how great the Cosmopolitan is. But that aside, another thing that really concerns me is if you look at where they're going to be building that, there's a lot of extra space. A lot of extra space from where you can watch the volcano to the strip, to the curb. And I got to believe they're going to be cutting that back, way back. And they don't need all that. I'm sure most of that property belongs to them. And whatever it doesn't, I'm sure that Clark County will give them a good deal on it so they could buy it and use it all. Right up to the end of that, almost to the side. There'll be enough sidewalk there for 2-lane traffic is my fear, because they keep pushing out to the curb more and more to where you can't even walk anymore in certain places of the strip. Like right where the Casino Royale is, Ben and Jerry's right in there, it's 2 lanes back and forth. I mean, you get in your lane and you walk just like freeway, and and I'm going slow. People are in back of me and they're trying to pass me like you do. You want to pass a slow truck on a 2-lane, and you wait for the dash so it's not a double yellow line. I almost get run over sometimes. I just don't like it's all jam-packed. And the thing is, that's a free thing people do in Vegas. They come to Vegas, and a lot of people just like to walk down the strip. I get it. I can't walk too much anymore, but I still walk a little bit on the strip. So I get it, and there's less space. And I think with this new purchase and Hard Rock taking over, the Mirage, they're gonna take out that Mirage, the Volcano, all that water there, all that, and they're gonna push back and take where the valet parking is. The tram, it's a free tram. It ends right there with the valet. It goes back and forth to Treasure Island. That's got to be gone. I'm sure that's gone. Free tram gone. We'll be down to 2 free trams, and then Volcano's gone, and the ability to walk down the sidewalk and enjoy yourself walking, that's going to be gone in that area. So 3 free things out the window. And I wrote a book called Free Things to Do in Vegas, a self-guided tour. Toot my own horn here. That's what I do. I write. Yeah, and that book is going to be trimmed down more and more to keep getting rid of these free things. Anyway, I had to say I don't like I don't like getting rid of the Volcano. I wish they would have just kept the Mirage and built somewhere else, because I like the idea of a theme. Not that it'll be a theme. It may end up just being a gigantic guitar hotel and no rock and roll associated with it inside. But anyway, we'll see how that goes. But I'm not hopeful that this is going to be a good thing for Vegas. Anyway, had to say that. Good luck with the rest of your day, and I'm out of here.